Hey man, this is one of the ones where I might be on an island by myself with, but I definitely think this was double up potential and double up worthy. And today, man, I'm gonna unbox these joints, let y'all know what they are, and let y'all know why this is the best time to double up on any sneakers that have been dropping this year, because you guys have seen what the market is looking like and what's about to transpire in 2025. Let's jump into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated. And somebody other than a comment said they tired of me saying thank y'all. And I'm sorry, y'all just gonna have to be tired of me saying it, because I really do appreciate everything you guys have done for me over the past couple years and what you guys have continued to do recently, man. All the love and support you guys have been showing does not go unnoticed. I want to say thank you every opportunity I get, because without you guys, I'd just be up here talking to myself, but that's not the case. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, do your boy a favor and leave a huge like on today's video. It might go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. And if you guys have been truly appreciating the content, go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section. That would mean a lot, man. All right, guys, so like I said, man, this has been a couple releases this year that I feel like it could definitely be double up potential for a lot of people, especially in some OG sneaker collectors. We are getting releases this year that we didn't expect to get, or you know, it's around that time for them to come out, and Jordan Brand finally delivered on what we've been asking for. And it's not just these inside today's box. It is plenty of J's, plenty of Nike retro sneaker, basketball sneakers, all that good stuff that are double up potential, because especially like some of those Dion's and some of the Penny Hardaways, you know what I'm saying, the foam posits. We ain't expect to get some of these revamped colorways, some of these OG colorways, and I definitely think a lot of people had a mindset to double up, because who knows the next time we will get some of these sneakers. The entire economy is crazy. By the time it's about 10 years later, a shoe gonna retail for like $300. I know that might seem far-fetched, but come back and watch this video, or I'm gonna come back and watch this video in 10 years and see what the price fluctuation is, because in 2024, everything is expensive, man. But like I said, man, I did hit on this sneaker recently on the release date. I didn't have no issues with copping it. I said, man, a resale is really low. The value is low, and this is the perfect opportunity for me to secure a pair. And we do have these guys in today, so let's go ahead and get into them. And I got the Heat Night, because I love me these J's inside today's box, and I'm gonna let you guys know I always want to keep it real authentic with you guys. And there's been a lot of sneakers I have been unboxing recently that not a lot of people do feel, but I think that's what keeps me authentic in a way, because I'm not just forcing everything onto you guys. I'm allowing you guys to see what I truly like, what I truly enjoy copping, and I'm gonna keep staying true to that, man. So let's go ahead and put this knife to the side and get into the box. The double up is secured. It had happened, bro. It has happened, and I'm not turning back. So let's go ahead and get into them. And when y'all see the box, y'all gonna know exactly what we got. And yeah, let's go ahead and check them out. Let's go. Let's get into it, man. Y'all see what's going on. You see the huge Jumpman in the flight underneath, and the graffiti or the cement, whatever they got on these joints is super dope. I love the presentation. The fish colorway, if you don't know what it is by the box, it's Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, white, anthracite, and black. And they got these guys in a size 9. Y'all see what's going on, man. Let's go ahead and flip them open. The double up is secure. And I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section how you feel about these sneakers. Are they double up worthy, or am I on an island by myself? Let's go ahead and get into them. We have no other than, come on now, the Air Jordan 4 here, guys. And again, I told y'all, bruh, coming into the year, this is one of my most anticipated releases of 2024, and I stayed true to that. Y'all gotta see, man, I got that double up. Let's go ahead and pull the other sneaker out of the box real quick. We gotta get both of them out, check them out, make sure the pair is good to go. Throw that to the side. There's so much paper on these. I think that's due to the material that they did throw on these spheres, but you guys see them, man. We have the double up on the Fear 4s. Let's go ahead and grab the other pair real quick. Y'all know what's going on, man. Y'all know what your boy the bitch is on, man. Let's go ahead and get this other pair out just to compare the two. I did get both of these in a size 9, because it seemed like recently the 4's been feeling a little bit bulkier. So you guys see what's going on, man. The double up is secured. All the pairs do look really, really good. And it's crazy because I was checking the resale on the black cement 3s, and I did not expect the resale to be lower on those than the Fear 4s, but then I started thinking, I'm like, they probably made a lot more pairs of black cements. It is a huge GR. It's around that time frame where they do mass produce sneakers. But the resale was higher on the Fear 4s rather than the black cement 3s. And I tell y'all right now, take advantage of the current market. I'm telling y'all, bro. Don't say I didn't tell y'all, because I do feel like 2026, after we getting this onslaught of drops from Jordan Brand and Nike next year, I'm talking about it's so much coming out. You guys seen today, we're getting the Gamma 11s coming out. We're getting the Taxi 12s, bro. Hold on, and I gotta grab them, bro. I'm sorry, I gotta grab the Taxi 12s because it is long overdue for us to get them. Y'all see what's going on. We will be getting these in 2025 along with the Gammas. I'm telling y'all, man, take advantage of these resale prices while everything is low. But that double up is secured. You guys see it, man. But just look at these beauties, man. You got the speckled on the midsole, the white Jumpman on the back, and it came with this cardboard to cover the tongue, but you do got your white tab with your black Jumpman right here. But the quality of the materials is just looking so good, man. I don't know what it is, bro. I grew up always wanting these, so that's why I'm extremely happy to be able to get these, and I'm extremely happy to double up because I'm going to be feeding a pair in the ground, rocking them to the gym, wearing them to the grocery store, going to wash the car in these joints because it's been long overdue for us to get these joints, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. I know this is a quick one, but I had to unbox these joints, let you guys know to hop on some of these resale prices now. But if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, do your boy a favor and leave a huge like, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. All that being said, man, your boy DeVentus. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.